It's going?
No shit.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Steph.
And I'm Max.
And we're coming at you today with a Pokemon card unboxing. This box here is the Mewtwo collection, a Pokemon of pure psychic power. It comes with 4 different Pokemon card packs with a limited edition Mewtwo mini figurine. And we have this one here. This is a 6-pack plus 2 foil card picked up from Target USA. Retails for $19.99 American. And this one here is also $19.99, picked up from Walmart USA in American dollars.
And this is the Charizard EX Red and Blue collection, and it comes with a limited edition Charizard minifigure and four new generation booster packs.
Okay, so we're gonna get right into the unboxing. Okay, so right off the bat, it comes with 2 single cards. And this is a hollow Talonflame.
They're both hollow.
We also have the
There's
X and Y.
X and Y, two X and Y Flash Fire, and three Primal Clash packs, and
1 X and Y.
so there's the TCG card for online. One unlocks where it unlocks 1 online booster pack.
Okay. Venipede.
Skiddo, Zora, Ekans, Timber, and the hollow is a Yveltal, Rhydon,
I know this one. Double Blade.
Dunsparce, and last is Braxton.
And that was from the X and Y.
Here, I'll open the next one.
Okay, good.
Scissors, please.
So we're on to the Primal Clash X and Y package.
So there's Mudkip, Feebas, Illumise,
Bless you.
Hippopotas, Slugma. The hollow is Ninetales,
Oh, I know that one too.
Breloom, Vibrava, Gorbis, and another Doublade, and then another TCG Online booster pack.
Okay. We're now on to another of the Primal Clash X and Y packages.
So there's Electrike, Tentacool,
I know that one too.
Answer the phone until your mother's busy.
Rhyhorn.
Tynamo, Torchic. The hollow is a hollow trainer. Oh, the star. There's this another hollow for the star is a full screen trainer. Another trainer as a rare candy. B-Barrel. And a full screen Bidoof. And then the online TCG online booster pack.
Okay.
And
then
that was
that was another one of the Primal Clash packages. So now we're on to the last of the Primal Clash packages.
Corpfish, Weedle, Barboach, a Spiel, another Bidoof. The hollow is a Masquerain. Oh, and the star is a hollow full screen Kyogre EX. And then another trainer of the rare candy. Another B-Barrel. And another full screen Bidoof.
And then the online card. And then again, that was another of the Primal Clash packages.
And this is the X and Y Flash Fire booster packs now. So there is Binacle, Pinko, Weasel, Sentret, Spiel. The hollow is Floetta. The star is another hollow Milotic. And then there's a trainer, it's Pokemon Fan Club, Graveler, and Metapod. And another online TCG booster pack.
Okay, so we're on to our last package from that 6-pack box. This is the
Another
X and Y.
Flash Fire.
There we go.
So there's Bergamite, Sandile, Flabebe, Goomy, Roselia. The hollow is Dragalge. And then the star is a non-hollow Fortress. Rapidash. Milk Tank. And another Graveler. And the last TCG online booster pack.
Okay, so moving on to the Mega Mewtwo collection box. I'll edit out all of this part, like of the actual box and stuff.
Here, I'll take it up for you. Here, you start
Okay.
taking it. Showing
So
you.
there is the mini figurine Mewtwo. online card. And then the 4 individual packs.
And here's the Mewtwo card the promo Mewtwo card that you get.
Okay. X and Y Roaring Skies. X and Y Breakthrough.
X and Y Ancient Origins. Another Breakthrough. X and Y. And that's it. So there's Teddiursa,
Goldeen.
Goldeen, Woobat, Axew, Remoraid. The holo is cool. Breakthrough.
Chestnut.
Chestnut. And then the star is a hollow Empoleon. A trainer, a reserved ticket. Dedenne. And then Starmie.
With the
And-
online card. So again, just to let you guys know, these again were purchased in the US, not here in Canada.
So there's Binacle, Nincada, Wurmple, Swablu, Pidove. The holo is Bygone or Bagon. And then the star is a full screen Articuno. The trainer, which is the wide lens. And another trainer, which is the Gallade Spirit Link. And then a supporter, which is Steven. And then the X and Y TCG booster pack for Roaring Skies.
Okay. So these are the last 2 packages from the Mewtwo collection box.
So there's Wooper, a full screen Baltoy, Cottony, Eevee, Persian, and the holo is a Stadium of Forest of the Giant Plants. The star is an Entei, another Forest of the Giant Plants,
On holo.
Flareon, and then a Special Energy, which is Dark type, and the online TCG booster pack. And then for the other Flash Fire, there is Froakie, Axew, Elgium, Ghastly, Meowth. The holo is a Noibat. The star is a Simisear, Stunfisk, Snorlax, and then a trainer, which is the Heavy Ball. And then the last of the online TCG booster.
Okay. So now we move on to the last collection box, the Charizard EX Red and Blue collection. There is the limited edition mini Charizard figurine. there is the Charizard EX.
Full art. And it is promo. Both the Mewtwo and the Charizard is promo.
So there it comes with your online card.
And there is here, it is a poster. I think it is a poster, and it says get a mythical Pokemon every month from February to December 2016. You can revive a different mythical Pokemon every month in a special video game distribution. To get these awesome Pokemon, you will need Pokemon X, Pokemon Y, or Pokemon Omega Ruby or Pokemon Ultra Sapphire game, as well as a system on the Nintendo 3DS family.
It's to celebrate the 20 years of Pokemon.
And you can check off the legendary Pokemon that you have got.
The packages are the Generations collection, Pikachu,
Charizard, Venusaur, and Blastoise.
Yep. Okay, so in the Blastoise Generations pack,
there is Diglett. Oh, the energies have changed the picture. There's lines at the back of it. Magikarp, Ponyta. The holo is a Parasect.
it's also the star.
Oh yeah, it's the star. Oh, we have one of the rainbow colored supporters of for the series, which is Wally. Another star, which is the unhollow Parasect. Another rainbow color, which is Gulpin, Machoke, and a supporter, which is Team Flare Grunt,
And
which
that was from
the Blastoise Generation booster pack.
Okay, now we're on to Venusaur Generations pack.
There's Paris, Rhyhorn, Zubat, Ponyta, the holo, which is Caterpie, another rainbow color, which is Swirlix. The star is a full screen Articuno. Another rainbow color, which is Swablu. Trainer, which is Maintenance. And then another supporter, which is Team Flare Grunt.
Okay, on to the Charizard Generations pack.
So we got Magikarp, a Metal Energy, a Pikachu, Clefairy, a holo Max Revive, another rainbow color holo, which is Slurpuff, Gyarados, which is the star, another rainbow color, and it is Charmander. Then there's two items, which is a Revitalizer, and then a red card. like soccer. And then, so that was the Charizard booster pack, and now we're opening the Pikachu Generations booster pack, which is the last of them. So there's an energy, a psychic type energy, Diglett, another Pikachu, Zubat, a holo supporter, which is Olympia, and we got a rainbow color full arch Pikachu. It's a rare from the rainbow color. And then the star is Parasect. Another rainbow color Gulpin. A supporter, which is Imakuni. And then another trainer, which is the Revitalizer.
Alright guys, so that does it today for our unboxing. Please stay tuned for our next video. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.